What you're looking at on your screen right now, this is a budget-friendly soundbar. It's the Veatool S20L. Hello and welcome to our channel all about home electronics, where in this video we're going to try to make a determination. Is it worth it? We're going to unbox the contents. We're going to show you some of the connectivity between your television and the soundbar, or whether you might want to use it as a Bluetooth speaker not connected to your television. And we'll get started right after this. Now we zoomed in to show you what comes inside the box, and we're going to start all the way on the left, which is a small user's manual to help you set it up. They do give you a wireless remote control to control the sound and sound fields of the soundbar itself. It takes AAA batteries that they do not supply. Now slightly to the left of center of your screen, that's a stereo cable that they provide. That's only going to work if your television has that type of jack on the back of the TV or the side, or perhaps a headphone jack. A lot of TVs won't provide that anymore, so if you don't see it on your TV, don't be surprised. Of course, you're going to need to power your soundbar, and they did include the power supply for that. Now, there are multiple other ways you can connect your soundbar to your TV, and one of the good ways is using an optical cable, which is in the bag right over here to the right. Optical provides a good way to transmit the audio signal from your television to the soundbar. It's a pretty common connection with most TVs today. If you wanted to go ahead and mount this soundbar on the wall, you can, using the supplied guide that they have right there. You don't have to mount it on the wall. A lot of times you'll just set it on a tabletop like you see in this configuration right here. But if you do want to mount it, they do give you the hardware. We turn the soundbar around so you can see the connectivity on the back. We're going to start left to right. That's where you plug in your power supply. If you want to connect using the aux jack and that cable they provided, you connect it right there. You only have to make one audio connection to your television for this to work. A lot of TVs, as I mentioned earlier, don't have the aux jack anymore. This SPDIF right here, this is a Toslink optical cable that they provided for you. That's a very, very good way to connect to your television. Most TVs do, in fact, have that connectivity. And optimally, you would want to use the HDMI ARC connection as shown right here. If your TV is a little bit older, it might not have an ARC enabled HDMI, but if it's a newer TV, it probably will, and it'll typically have the letters ARC stamped at the HDMI port on the television that's ARC enabled. You just take an HDMI cable either end, plug it in right there, and make sure ARC's turned on in your TV settings, and you're good to go. And if you want to listen to MP3 files, you can plug a USB in right there and listen to your music. The Veatool Soundbar is a budget-friendly soundbar, but in its defense, it's got a lot of features built into it. It's compact, it's lightweight, it's got Bluetooth, so if you want to listen to some of your favorite tunes or a podcast and you're having a gathering, so long as you can power it up outside by plugging it in, works great. Now, connecting it to your television, you might be asking, is it going to improve the TV speakers? Really, only you can make that decision. To play an example over the internet with all the compression technology that goes into the audio signal, there's just no comparison doing that. It has great connectivity. It has several sound fields for audio, dialogue, movies, sound fields of that effect. It doesn't have a standalone subwoofer. There's no real subwoofer built in, so the bass is, a little bit lacking in our opinion. But other than that, it is feature-packed and it is budget-friendly. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below the video. Here are a few video links we hope you might find useful. If you liked this video or it helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe free to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.